Hi, in this video I will tell you how you can earn money using ChatGPT. So in the last video I have explained the first method. So in this video I'm going to explain the second method. In this method we can earn money by creating video script for somebody who is already running Insta, Facebook or YouTube account. As they are a content creator, they need a video script when they are creating a new video on any of the platform. So for example, if you took a creator who is a small creator, pitch him and give your video script to him. From here you can generate the video script. For example, here I say chat gpt, give me a video script on how to trade in 2023. Okay, so here our video script is ready. In the top you can see the intro section and in the last we have the ending. Okay, so this is a proper ending, you can see, and here we have a proper intro for a video. So this is how you can create video script from ChatGPT, and you can share that script with your client. You can get your client directly from YouTube. You just need to pitch them that what exactly you are going to give them. Okay, then the second method, you can get your clients from Facebook, Telegram, and from, you can say, other website like freelancer and other website. You can get your clients from there. I hope this video is also helpful for you, and if this method helps you, then make sure that you give like, and I will see you in the next video.